It's time for another Algebra 2 Regents quick question. And this one says, a recursive formula for the sequence 324, 108, 36, ... is, and they give me a few choices. Off to the side, you'll see that I've already put the geometric sequence formula, but that's because I figured out ahead of time that it is a geometric sequence. I notice that in this question, they don't alert me as to whether it's arithmetic or geometric. So I had to do a quick check. The first thing I'm checking for is if it's arithmetic, and I do that by seeing if there's a consistent common difference between them. When I do that, I see that to get from 324 to 108, I'm subtracting 216, and to get from 108 to 36, I'm subtracting 72. So I definitely don't see a common difference with them that would be consistent with arithmetic sequences. To test for a geometric sequence, I'm going to put the one after it on top of the one before it in a ratio. And when I do this, I notice that they both have a 1/3 ratio, which is my common ratio. Since it's asked me to find a recursive formula, I know that a recursive formula is defined by having the parameters of a first term of a sequence and then some sort of pattern or rule to get me any term from the previous terms in the sequence. So number 1 and number 3 do not even give to me the first term. That leaves me with 2 and 4. Both of them do have my first term correct of 324. That brings me to the rule that they've given me, and I can already tell that it is not rule 2. It's definitely going to be rule 4 because that is including my common ratio. And I can see it's taking, to find out, for example, A2, I would take 1/3 of A1, which is true because A2 is 108, which is 1/3 of 324. So my answer is number 4. And I'm done.